The Tech Zone offers educational discounts for all University of Illinois faculty, staff, and students. We can supply all your tech needs, including computers, iPads and tablets, dorm and gaming accessories, and so much more. Our Apple authorized in-house technicians love a challenge and can repair your Apple computer, and our savvy staff are here to assist you with technology recommendations for every major. We are conveniently located in the center of campus on the first floor of the Illini Union, just a few steps from the main quad. Can't make it to the store? No problem. You can also shop online at techzone.illinois.edu. We offer free shipping to the store for personal purchases and free delivery for departmental purchases. We accept cash, credit, check, or line-out cash. Make your payments with our loan program or upgrade your old tech with our trade-in program. We provide top-notch customer service in person, on the phone, and by email. Your purchases support the Illini Union student events and activities. So keep it on campus and see what we can offer you. The Tech Zone, your official university computer store and Apple authorized service center.